Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today with the Bedrock Lateral Adjustment Repair, or Fettling. So, I think I have solved the problem. Let me show you what I discovered. Number one, I tried cleaning it. I had to take it apart. So luckily it came apart just with a little bit of leverage. So I don't know if you can see it, but there is a bend from the rivet forward. It bends down. That's one aspect. The other aspect was the rivet holding the bearing on was proud. I filed that down a little bit. But the other thing that had happened was the rivet bulged out right at the back of the lateral. So when trying to insert it into the frog, it could only go so far. So I believe I've got it fixed, except for the bend. I have to straighten that out. But right now I've got it so that it rests below the face of the frog, okay? Remember how it was above? So that's a good start. And I'll straighten that bend out. And then carefully put it back in and peen it. But before I do that, I am going to try and find a small file to get in here and just make sure there's no burrs on that bearing surface where it goes. But you can see, if you look carefully, you can see a shiny surface in here. That's where that rivet from the bearing was rubbing. So sometimes it's not just one thing, it's two or three or more little things that add up to cause you your conundrum. So that's about it for now. Let me get back to fixing this, and if it works, I'll do a demo with the plane. Have a great day. Walter out.